In this video I'm going to explain to you why you should get a mobile website and why now would be the best time to do it. They reckon there are approximately 124 billion websites on the internet today, and that works out at about 18 websites for every man, woman and child on the planet. However, if we look at mobile websites, like the one on the left there, there's only about 10 million of those, which, instead of having 18 websites each, that means 680 of us have to share the same mobile website. In other words, demand is way outstripping supply when it comes to mobile websites. So let me take you back through time and show you how mobile has grown. By 2002 there were more mobile phones than fixed landlines. In the same year, more people were sending SMS text messages than were using email. 2005 there were more music phones sold than MP3 players, including iPods. And by 2005 we saw the first TV phones launched. And to give you some idea of our love for the mobile, there are currently 4.6 billion mobile phone subscriptions. Compare this to 1.6 billion TVs, 1.2 billion computers, and 920 million cars on the road. And if we continue our stroll through history, by 2007 mobile phones became the first gadget to sell more than 1 billion units in the year. 2008, more people were actually accessing the internet on their mobile phone than on PC. In the same year, more smartphones were sold than all the PCs, laptops, netbooks and all the other computers combined. And in 2009, mobile data revenues exceeded total internet revenues, meaning all the business done online. And to give you some idea of the explosive growth in mobile and especially in smartphone sales, you can see the annual sales here year on year is increasing at a rate of about 50%. And by smartphones we're talking about the iPhone, the BlackBerry and the Android and Symbian based phones. And in the second quarter of 2010, meaning April to June, there were 326 million smartphones sold. So the explosive growth continues. Mobile is indeed changing the world. It's the fastest growing trillion-dollar industry in history. According to Google, 1 in 3 searches from smartphones are for local businesses like yours. And 3 times as many people use messaging on their mobile phone than from their computer. See what I mean? 20% of all mobile phones sold are now smartphones. 29% of the population are now accessing the internet solely from their mobile phone, and that's the section represented by the dark blue there. 53% of us access the internet via PC and our mobile phone. That's the light blue section there. So the two blue sections combined come to 82% of us who access the internet from a mobile phone. But it's currently the big brands who are winning the race to get us to look at them on our phones. Why should you miss out? So, what's the message? The message is to get mobilized. There's a massive opportunity out there for those companies who are willing to take the initiative and get themselves a mobile website. And it doesn't matter if your customers are looking for you on a local basis, whether they're looking through the organic listings, whether they're looking through the paid pay-per-click AdWords listings, or even via video. If you've got a mobile website, it's going to put you way ahead of your competition. So to get your free copy of our special report, The 7 Myths About Mobile and the Truth That Can Jet Fuel Your Business, plus a 5 video training series on mobile marketing, all you need to do is visit www.mobilewebsitedesign.me. That's the 3 W's.mobilewebsitedesign.me. And we look forward to seeing you there.